Program Director, Your Majesty, King Mswati III, Your Excellency President Andry Rajoelina, President of the Republic of Madagascar and Chairperson of SADC, Your Excellency President Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, the outgoing Chairperson of SADC and President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, Your Excellency, Executive Secretary of SADC, Mr. Elias Mkhosi, Honorable Ministers and Heads of Delegations, Your Excellencies, Heads of Diplomatic Missions, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellencies, I'm humbled by the responsibility you have entrusted on me and the government of the Republic of South Africa to join the leadership of the SADC Troika of this august organization. I'm glad that I don't have to stand over there and take an oath surrounded by judges of the Constitutional Court like our Executive Secretary. It was quite a grand affair, but also quite frightening. On behalf of all of us from SADC and beyond, we extend our warmest congratulations to His Excellency President Andry Rajoelina on his accession to be Chairman of South African Development Community, SADC, for the period 2025 to 2026. Your Excellency President Rajoelina, your assumption of this esteemed role at the 45th Sadc Summit here in Madagascar truly marks a historic milestone for Madagascar and reflects the trust as well as the confidence placed in your leadership by your fellow heads of state. As the chairman or chairperson, your vision for accelerating industrialization, transforming agriculture and promoting inclusive energy transition resonates deeply with the aspirations of our region. We listened to you very, very intently this morning when you delivered your acceptance speech. Your speech was inspiring and was underpinned by a bold vision and regional ambition. We've also had the privilege of watching you at close range during our closed session of the summit as you were chairing this summit. We were impressed by your able manner in which you led the summit and helped us reach consensus, even on difficult issues on which we were not in agreement. You managed to pull us all together to reach agreement, and we thank you truly for that. As we looked at you and watched you, we could see that you had the true mettle of leadership ability. We know that SADC is in good hands. We are confident that under your stewardship, SADC will continue to advance regional integration, economic resilience, and sustainable development. May your tenure, Your Excellency, be marked by unity, innovation, progress for all member states. Once again, congratulations and best wishes for a successful as well as an impactful chairmanship. There is no doubt in our minds that a lot will be achieved under your able leadership, which we saw today. As South Africa joins the Troika leadership of the August body, please be assured of our full support as you lead us in the pursuit of our regional integration agenda as envisaged in the SADC Vision 2050. The region will also continue to benefit from the wisdom of our outgoing chairperson, His Excellency President Dr. Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. President Mnangagwa's patient passion for the region's integration program is exemplified by the various activities that the government of Zimbabwe undertook to advance trade integration, food and energy security, trans-boundary conservation, poverty eradication, health, education, as well as finance and investment, amongst others. We are truly grateful, President Mnangagwa, to have had you as the leader of SADC, and thank you very much for all you have done for SADC. Your Excellencies, equally and with a deep sense of appreciation, we salute Her Excellency Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan, the President of the United Republic of Tanzania, in absentia, for her sterling leadership of the organ during her tenure. Admittedly, it was not an easy tenure, considering the peace and security missions and challenges whose implementation she had to lead. Her fortitude and unfailing resolve, even when these missions were put to unprecedented test, is truly commendable. And we also thank her for her astute leadership. We'd also like to congratulate His Excellency, Mr. Elias Makhosi, on his re-election as the Executive Secretary of our organization for a second term. We wish you well during the next 4 years. We also take this opportunity to acknowledge the efforts that have been made to support you by Mrs. Makhosi. She is the real star of SADC. On behalf of all participants and stakeholders, I extend our deepest gratitude to the SADC Secretariat and the entire staff of SADC for the outstanding coordination and execution of the 45th SADC Summit of Heads of State meeting, held for the first time in Antananarivo in Madagascar in 20 years since they joined. Thank you for your professionalism as the staff of SADC, for your vision, and for your service to the region. You are a group of people who are hardly ever thanked, but today we want to thank you for the excellent service that you continue to provide. We also want to thank the SADC Council of Ministers for all the content preparatory work. They are the true heavy lifters. We especially want to thank the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Madagascar, Ms. and Dr. Rasata Rafara Vita Fika, for the excellent work that she has done in leading the discussions and helping us take all the various decisions. Thank you very much, Dr. Rasata. Now, I also want to thank the government and the people of Madagascar. We want to thank you as government for the excellent organization and hosting of this summit. Your tireless effort in planning, in providing all the logistics, the communication and the protocol have ensured the success of this historic gathering. The people of Madagascar would like to thank you. We saw you on the sidelines of the roads as we were being driven here. We could see your friendly smiles. We could see your friendly disposition to all of us. This summit has also been made truly successful by yourselves, and we thank you, the people of Madagascar. My government of South Africa looks forward to welcoming you all as heads of states and ministers and other delegates to our shores, to the shores of the most beautiful country in the world, South Africa. Second only perhaps to Madagascar. So we will put Madagascar at the top and South Africa will come second. So we look forward to welcoming you to the 46th Sadc Summit. I'd like to thank everyone for the real wonderful moment I've had here in Madagascar. This is the first time I've been here, and I can tell you I will be back to visit Madagascar once again. Thank you so much.